here it is. You've already seen it before, but here it is again. The iFlight DC10 version 2. It's got the dead cat arms, GoPro on the front, 3000 milliamp 6S, giant antenna, crossfire, LED with the buzzer, GPS. It's the bomb. But I've been having a hard time tuning this one as well. I get some forward oscillations, low throttle oscillations. I'm trying to be cinematic, and as I'm going forward like this, just cruising, like less than half throttle, 40% maybe, you get a little bit of wobble in the camera. I don't know if that's resonance from the frame incorporating into the camera, because generally I don't see it in the GoPro because I got it in TPU. But I would like to get rid of that. I would like as smooth as possible flight. So we're gonna try it today. I have more balanced propellers than I had last time, and I'm hoping that fixes the problem. So we'll record GoPro and DVR so you can see them both. We got plenty of satellites, so that's great. Not all my data's popping up though, so I'm having issues. I want to say I'm running the latest beta flight, and it doesn't seem to be giving me all my OSD info, so we'll see how it goes. There we go. Never mind. See, I'm getting that oscillation again. In the camera you can notice it. Ooh, horrible video right there. Should probably bump up my milliwatts, honestly. We're going long range with this thing. Flies a lot different than everything else I've been flying. Yeah, it just sounds like I'm getting motor noise. Maybe that's translating into my wobbles. Getting a little bit of... Obviously you're not supposed to be doing that with a cinematic quad like this, but it does it quite well. So I'm wondering if I could dumb down my PIDs to reduce this wobble. It could be the wind, because it definitely sounds like wind. You know, got a guy pulling up behind me. I gotta make sure he's not gonna come steal my stuff. Looks all right. I'm gonna bump up my milliwatts here. Just not enough. There we go. 600 milliwatts should help. I'm gonna adjust my PIDs quick too. Let's try. My roll's fine. I'm gonna reduce my P down to 40, and then I'm gonna up my I. Maybe that'll help my pitch stay more steady. Try matching that at 60, and then maybe I'll turn up. You don't want too much D though, so let's bring our D down to 20. Let's do it on both axes. Maybe that'll help us. I feel like my yaw, that's fine. We're just gonna leave that there. Leave that there. Let's give it a shot. See if that actually helped. I kind of doubt it, but hey man, anything's worth a try. Uh-oh, I think I'm stuck on some grass. Got issues. Alright, I gotta go pull the thing out of the grass. Made a difference. Ooh, that's scary. I think it's mechanical noise. I really think it is. It's not. RPM filtering does not work. Not with this monster. And I can't figure out. Might have to just go really slow. Let's go high. There we go. That sounds nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to go slow. Getting a little wobble. That's from the wind, I think. Nothing to do with the tune. But yeah, I'm definitely getting sound from the motors, which kind of blows. I'm gonna make this little gap here. Go to the next gap. I don't know. I'm not sure why I'm getting motor sound like that. Seems odd. Yeah, we got our miles per hour up there. We can cruise at 40. That seems pretty awesome. Not sure what my throttle's at, but 12 amps ain't bad. Only used 860 milliamps. Gotta make sure we're in the low frame rates on Crossfire, so we gotta make sure we're not flying too low. Should be fine. Sitting on the ground though, so that's definitely not helping. Antenna was slightly sideways. Let's get it back to us. I'm gonna fly behind us maybe. Yeah, great camera. Caddx Hotel on this one too. Gives you nice clean video as I'm breaking up horrendously on my fucking video feed. I don't know, not really sold on this True RC long range antenna that I got. Not amazing. But hey man, if the video looks good on the GoPro, that's really all that matters. That's all I really care about. Go zinging up this road. It'd be fun to like do some videos of drift cars. This would be a great quad for it. Carries a lot of speed. Does pretty dang good. Yeah, I'm not loving the motor noise though. I might have to change some settings in BL Heli. Maybe it's these props. I've had 3 blades on here and they sounded a little better, but gotta power loop those trees. Done it with every other quad I've been flying. Slalom the trees. We'll get some more cinematic view of a Ramsey. The city of Ramsey. Look at that. Just beautiful. Love it. This is the coolest shit ever. 200 feet in the air. You can see fucking everything. This is amazing. Crossfire for the win too. I would have fail-safed over there with Spectrum. My compass is not pointing the correct way though, so I will not attempt to use return to home. It looks like it's kind of in the right direction. It's like overshooting itself. Needs calibration. How's the video look, guys? Send me a comment. Tell me what you think of the video. Don't look at that FPV feed though, it's garbage. A lot of garbage to fly through. Only used about half, well, just over half my battery. Voltage is looking pretty good. I do have one more battery though, so we might not totally kill this battery. I've been flying for a long time. Not really 12 minutes, but it felt like 12 minutes. Yeah, let's pop another battery in. I don't know. I don't know. I think the tune's as good as it's gonna get. I think these motors are just loud. Just how it is. So yeah, let's pop another battery in and try again. Behind me so you can see it. It sounds pretty wicked. Almost like flying a Beast class. 9-inch props though. I don't know, maybe my motors are struggling with these props. They're rated for 947 props on 6S. I looked at the calc sheets. These are 2812 Brother Hobby motors. 900 kV. It's a beautiful park. Remember Tremaine was over here. He flew way the hell over there. Over people's yards and shit. Like, nope. Not doing that. I think it's just resonance. It's like the props get to a certain RPM and they just resonate in the frame. Little bounce back. This ain't made to fly crazy. It's supposed to fly smooth, as you can tell. And it does. It flies so smooth. It's actually pretty relaxing. Look at that shadow. It looks so cool. God, that sound is awful. It's whoa, 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 whoa. Maybe a filter would help. I don't know. Ooh, got really weird over there. Video doesn't transfer well through buildings. And I don't believe I'm actually running 600 milliwatts. VTX tables are bullshit nowadays. What happened to the days where you could just set up your fucking shit without having to put a VTX table in? It's fine, you can copy and paste them nowadays, but man, I feel like they're not always accurate. Like, look at this. This is not 600 milliwatts. There should be zero breakup. Oh well. We're gonna fly around the 5-inch quad some more. I got a couple more batteries to burn up and I'm gonna call her a day. Thanks for watching.